distinguished senior officers, distinguished invited guests, ladies and gentlemen. This is announcing the arrival of the reviewing officer and the special guest of honor for today's passing out parade of basic personnel. Passing out parade is no other than the Deputy Controller General of Customs, Saliu Babatunde, PhD. You're most welcome. The parade commander for today's passing out parade, Abubakar Abdul Karim Zakaria, marches smartly to invite the reviewing officer to inspect the guards.
Nigeria Coastal Training College, Personal Parade, Basic Course 1, 2023. 112 officers of parade, 269 gentlemen cadets of parade, ready for inspection. Sir. Cut the race.
Your Excellency, distinguished senior officers, serving and retired, distinguished invited guests, ladies and gentlemen, while the reviewing officer inspects various guards on parade, permit me to hand over the mic. I would like to acquaint you with a brief version of this parade. The senior officer
the fighting fight. Providing music for assistant director of the Pasuma Parade is Israel Afolabi. By the color, the beard. The parade is commanded by the Ikeja. The parade towards east, Cadets is flying at the parade. Live. Commissioned officers, you are please requested to salute. The ensign to the national color is Samuel Junior IBDP. Junior Real Left Escort Uchenna Olutukubo. The Junior Right Escort color Zakaria Mustafa Katre from Sokoto State. The color party Aratan Regimental Sergeant Major Mustafa Musa Mate from Mono State. That is number 4 guard. Commanded by Guard Commander Gideon Abba from Square West Local Government of Benue State.
It is something that we've always prayed for, that capacity building should become the sine qua non for development in any organization, and Custom has made this a priority. We are very happy. It is also in line with what WCO expects from every custom administration all over the world. If you don't train, you can modernize. And if you don't modernize, you cannot improve on service delivery. That is just the truth. The only message I have for them is just one word: integrity. They have to uphold it.
First of all, I want to thank Almighty for the privilege to be the commandant of this prestigious college. And also special thanks goes to the management of Nigeria Customs Service for providing the enabling environment for us to be able to train these cadets. And looking from the time they resumed, they came as pure civilians, pure raw materials, and because of the commitment of the resource persons, instructors, we're able to have regimented customs officers, and that is what we've been able to achieve within the last 3 months.
Honestly, I'm highly impressed. You can see from the parade ground. I want to use this medium to commend the commandant, the course facilitators and instructors, that within 3 months they were able to mold these cadets into gentlemen officers today for the service. So the future looks bright. And based on the mentoring, the lecture offered them within these 3 months, I'm confident that they will excel.
The glorious one is quite interesting, it's well organized, and I think the cadets who are now graduates, they put up a very impressive show, and they have displayed what has been put into them in the course of their training. So it's quite interesting, it's good. I rate it very high.
Yes, coincidentally, I'm a product of this prestigious college. I passed through here some 30 years back, and what we have seen today from the display and the proceedings of the passing out, we have seen an excellent and international way and in accordance with the international practice. In fact, the level of training have really gone beyond what we used to have. We now have an excellent and training cadets. So the products, the now officers they have produced will soon join us in the field, and that will add a bite to our operations, and we are going to make sure we utilize them very well. So congratulations to all of us, and I hope the tempo will continue so that more excellent products will be produced from this college.
Seated, you are please expected to rise. Commissioned officers in uniform, you are requested to salute.